How to mark all emails as read in Gmail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. Once you're here, you will be brought to your primary inbox page. You can view all your unread emails, which are shown in bold. To begin, tap and hold on the circular sender icon next to any email to enter selection mode. Once selection mode is active, a toolbar appears at the top. Go to the top left corner and tap on the Select All checkbox as shown. This action will highlight and select all the conversations visible on your screen. Now, at the top right, tap on the Mark as Read icon, which is represented by an open envelope. You will now see that all the selected emails are no longer in bold, indicating they have been successfully marked as read. Following these steps, you can easily mark all emails as read in Gmail on an iPhone.